Good morning, guys. So we got the ignition switch itself in. Now we have the lock and key. So we have to line everything up. As you can tell, there's 4 alignment points. And if you look ever so gently, it's thinner at the top than it is at the bottom. So we have to line that up in there. And these are always an absolute nightmare to get perfect. They just are. I don't know why. All right, so we've got there and there. And then there we go.
When you poke it with the pick, what are you doing?
Pushing this, that's a good question. So I don't know if you guys can see that. There's a little pin right there. You can see that copper pin?
Yeah, kind of. Oh, yeah.
You see that? So that's what stops it from going too far one way or too far the other way. You'll see that it's got a groove that it slides in. So to get it out, when you're doing these types of ignitions, let me get myself lined up. And we push, and we can turn it to the unlock point. Thin. Ah, well, that might be part of my problem because I'm an idiot. I hate these ignitions. They can be an absolute nightmare.
Put push to start in this.
Hmm?
Put push to start in this.
Right.
Remote start.
Okay, there we go.
Remote start in a manual, what could go wrong?
Right?
I saw a video of someone that did that one time with a truck.
Oh, God.
And they turned it on, but the truck was in gear, so it went, like, across the street. Well, we'll get back to you guys.